So what's the difference between having a Pellowah treatment and doing the Pellowah workshop? Apart from obviously the fact that a treatment takes an hour and the workshop takes 2 days. Well, on the workshop, you will receive the level 1 attunement and also the level 2 attunement. And as part of that, as part of the whole experience of being able to receive the attunements, you will give and receive 2 treatments yourself across the course of the weekend. So by the end of the weekend, not only have you actually had 2 treatments, but you'll have had the attunements as well, and you will have given 2 treatments. The level 1 attunement is equivalent to 10 treatments. The level 2 attunement is equivalent to 10 times the level 1 attunement, so that's 100 treatments. So it's a much more potent and powerful effect than having an individual treatment. The other thing is, once you've done the workshop, you are then a Pellowah practitioner, and you can, anytime you like, reach out to another practitioner and arrange to do a Pellowah exchange with them. So one of you facilitates Pellowah for the other, and then after a suitable interval of at least 3 hours is recommended, the other person facilitates Pellowah back to the original person. And these are usually done distant, because then you're not limited by geographical location. So the Pellowah workshop gives you the equivalent of 100 Pellowah treatments.